Vikas and Anupama, please. They took us to back in the black and white movie era, where we felt nostalgic. All of us, most of us, must have watched this movie, had heard this song, and I'm sure you all must have some memories around this song. So thank you, Vikas and Anupama, for taking us back to the black and white era. Moving on to our next song. To present this song, I would like to welcome Rupali. As in the beginning of the program we heard Lion Rupali. So शेरनी आ रही है गाना लेके. Rupali is trained in Hindustani classical music. She is the founder of Swara Leela Hindustani Classical Music School in Edison, New Jersey. She also is a president of New Jersey Artists Lions Club. Rupali has been learning Hindustani classical music since age of 7 and acquired Sangeet Visharad in Indian classical music. Her students also get certified by Samved Exam Board of North America. Rupali is a passionate singer, fluent in both classical and Bollywood music. Her vision is to spread the knowledge of music to everyone, and her motto is, "It's never too late or too early to start learning music." आज जो गाना वो पेश करने जा रही है उसके बारे में मैं कुछ कहना चाहूँगी। सच्चा प्यार ईश्वर की तरह होता है। सच्चा प्यार जो होता है वो ईश्वर की तरह होता है, जिसके बारे में बातें तो सभी करते हैं लेकिन महसूस कुछ ही लोग कर पाते हैं। अब आपको यकीन आया होगा मैंने रूपाली को शेरनी क्यों कहा। शेरनी की तरह छा गई थी, लेकिन अपने मधुकर जी भी कुछ कम नहीं है। बांसुरी के साथ शेरनी को शेर ने टक्कर जो दी है। मधुकर जी के लिए भी एक बार जोरदार तालियां। अब जब मधुकर जी ने अपने फ्लूट का इतना जादू चला ही दिया है, तो थोड़ा मधुकर जी के बारे में बोल ही देती हूँ। Madhukar ji has been passionate about learning bamboo flute, bansuri which is called, since his college days. His early development about bansuri is self-taught. He began taking music lessons at Pandit Jasraj Academy from Guru Pandita Trupti Mukherjee. Later he received guidance from Pandit Vishwanath Srikhande. He learnt bansuri techniques and Indian music from Sri Milind Date of Pune and continues to receive his guidance. Currently, he is learning Indian music under guidance of Pandita Smita Wagh. He has performed bansuri on many occasions in tri-state area. He is retired and spends time pursuing his passion and developing music-related apps for iOS and Android. For past 3 years or so, he is managing music for Sa Re Ga Music Group, previously known as Bollywood Jammers, including playing keyboard and flute. Our own Madhukar ji. After listening to this song, and all of us, many of us understand Hindi, English and other regional languages of India. But I will have to say one thing, music is one of the most powerful things the world has to offer. No matter what race or religion or nationality that you are, it has the power to unite us. गाने के प्रोग्राम में आगे बढ़ते हुए अब मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी श्री वेणुगोपाल को, जो अगला गाना पेश करने जा रहे हैं। Mr. Venugopal is C-level executive in a software company. Singing is one of his favorite hobbies. He is associated with Artists Lions Club Edison for past 3 years. He performs in professional music shows in the tri-state. He loves to sing songs of all genres, from legendary Kishore Da to nowadays famous singer Arijit Singh. He is a versatile singer with God-gifted melodious voice. आज जो वो गाना पेश करने जा रहे हैं, उसके बारे में मैं कुछ कहूँगी। क्या पता उसकी जुबान से भी इजहार निकले, क्या पता उसकी जुबान से भी इजहार निकले, क्या पता उसके दिल में भी प्यार निकले। सच है कि उसके बिना जी नहीं सकते हम, ये बिल्कुल सच है कि उसके बिना जी नहीं सकते हम। क्या पता उसके दिल से भी यही बात निकले।
तेरे बिना क्या वजूद
Vinod is an Indian music enthusiast. His love for vocal music started at his young age. He used to follow all movie songs. He is blessed with various gurus who taught him aspects such as how to perform on stage. After that, he got training in Hindustani classical music from Sri Rajesh Paranjpe. Before we move on to Mr. Vinod's song, I have a couple of announcements. We have 3 vendors at our event today. Mr. Avinash Patel from On Track Reality, Mr. Ramji from New York Life Insurance, and our own lion Medha displaying her paintings at the back of the hall. You can buy the original paintings or the printed ones. Please have a look when you get time. Moving towards Mr. Vinod's song. एक बात कहना चाहूँगी, प्यार क्या होता है ये हमें कहाँ पता था? प्यार क्या होता है ये हमें कहाँ पता था? बस एक दिन तुम दिखे और हम खो ही गए। विनोद, कहीं जाइएगा नहीं। आपका साथ देने आ रही है अगली सिंगर अश्लेषा, जिसके साथ आपका ड्यूएट होने वाला है। एक मूवी आई थी दिल्ली का ठग, जिसमें हीरो ने हीरोइन के दिल को ही ठग लिया था। उस मूवी का ये मशहूर गाना सुनते हैं फ्रॉम विनोद एंड अश्लेषा।
ये रातें
अभी हम बैठे हैं चार दीवारों के बीच में, जहाँ पे ये रात है या दिन है पता नहीं चलता, हवा का रुख पता नहीं चलता। लेकिन मैं ये दावे के साथ कह सकती हूँ कि ये गाना सुनने के बाद आपने ये ज़रूर महसूस किया होगा कि यहाँ पे रात का वक्त है, हवा अच्छी चल रही है, ठंडी ठंडी, और नदी का किनारा भी है, क्योंकि हम म्यूज़िक के लहरों के साथ झूम रहे थे। तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। थैंक यू। अगला गाना पेश करने के लिए मैं बुलाना चाहूँगी सुब्बू और गौरी। सुब्बू is the secretary of the Artists Lions Club Edison. He is an enthusiastic live music performer who has also learned classical music for about 4 years. He comes from a musical family and he has performed for Bharatanatyam Arangetram in India and Boston. He actively participates in karaoke groups in NJ and Rupri, Plainsboro. He is an IT professional but passionate about music. S.P. Balasubramaniam is his favorite singer. दूसरी गायिका है गौरी. Gauri began singing professionally since 1994. She sings in various Indian languages such as Hindi, Bengali, Assamese, Gujarati and Manipuri. This versatile singer also sings ghazals along with Bollywood music, folk music. She is one of the fortunate singers who got the opportunity to share the stage with an eminent music composer and singer late Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Please welcome Subbu and Gauri with another beautiful song. Hello.
Please don't have high hopes about my singing.